Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about combination of circuits A and B. So this is circuit A, this is circuit B. So let's dive into it. So here is our problem statement, means problem circuit. We have to define it in the Verilog code. The top level design consists of two. So in the figure. So basically we can implement this in two ways. Either we can make two separate modules for A and B, or we can directly define it. So first thing we will do is we will define the wires. This will be Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. So before that we have to see the logic of circuit A and B to create the modules. So let's see what is circuit A. So this is our circuit A. So we will copy this logic. We will go to this one. And we will copy it here somewhere else. We'll copy it beside here. And we know that the simple circuit B is our XNOR gate, so no worry about that. So first we will write our modules. So module A, which will consist of X, Y and Z as, so inputs will be our X comma Y and our output will be Z. Output will be Z. So assign Z equal to X. So this is our logic. We will assign it. So anyone who doesn't know about this, you can watch my video which I have posted it in last week. So we have to end the module. End module. So similarly we have to create another module named module B. Inputs as X comma Y and output as Z. So input X comma Y and output as Z. So let there be space between assign Z equal to XNOR gate X XOR Y and end module. So I am creating a hierarchical structure. So without hierarchy also it is possible, that we will see in the next video. So we have created the modules A and module B as our code. So next thing is that we have to declare the wires Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. So wires Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. And for this we will name as X1 and X2. X1, X2. So now we have to call our module as module A. So this is our A1. Let X be, inputs are X comma Y. So X comma Y and output is our Z1. So similarly we are calling module B, B1, X comma Y comma Z2. Follow this pattern A, B, A, B. Again A2, X comma Y comma Z3 and B2, X comma Y comma Z4. So we have decoded the logic and we have given the output here. Now let's implement this. So we will assign OR gate Z1 or Z2, assign AND gate Z3 and Z4. So assign X1, the outputs of this will be X1 and X2. Assign X1 equal to Z1 or Z2 and assign X2 equal to Z3 sorry, Z3 and Z4. So last one is assign. Our output will be Z, which will depend on the inputs this and this, like x1 and x2. So assign our Z equal to x1 XOR x2. So let's submit the code. So the compilation process has been started. You can see there are no errors, and you can see the status success. So it is very simple to implement hierarchical structure. In the next video, we will be seeing about how to implement this same circuit without hierarchy. So that's it for this video.